Hello everybody, my name is China. Welcome back to my channel. Ew. I'm coming back to y'all with a new video today. Okay. In today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I get my wigs to like extremely flat. Like as you can see, it is flat and natural looking. See this hair right here, it is human hair. It is from Tinashe hair. But this method works for human or synthetic hair. If you don't believe me, there's a video I posted, it's called like the best straight synthetic wig. Y'all can go back and check it out and you can see that the same method works. But this is just like a more in-depth video of how I do it. The link is going to be down in the description box for y'all. I made this hair into a wig. I received 24, 24, 22 and a 20-inch closure, but I didn't even use the 22-inch bundle at all actually. So this is like literally 2 bundles and a closure, and it's definitely not that thin at all. This is what the parting space looks like. You get a nice amount of parting space and everything like that. I'm actually really liking this hair so far. I'm not getting any tangles, and I wore this hair for a few days. I'm not getting any type of tangles or anything like that. Shedding, I didn't really pay attention, but let's see. Well, I got one strand right here, but that's it. So yeah, no bad shedding or anything like that. I really am liking this hair. Yes, if you're interested in this hair, I am going to leave it down in the description box like I said. If you're interested in seeing how I get my wigs to lay flat and everything like that, then just stay tuned. But before we get into it, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Smack the shit out of your screen right where that subscribe button is. Smack your screen where the notification bell is, where the like button is, where the comment section is. Keep smacking it, but don't get a crack in it because you still need to see this video. Like, also be sure to check out the description box because all of my social media accounts are going to be down in there just for your convenience, so you don't got to be searching me up or anything like that. It's just all right there, so be sure to check those out. Now let's get into it. Alright y'all, so this is the wig I made. As y'all can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing y'all how to get y'all wigs to lay flat. Have no fear. This will work for human hair or synthetic hair. This is human hair right here, but this will work for synthetic hair as well. I want like a middle part, and when I put, oh sis, these hands are ashy, hold up. But as you can see, when I put a middle part, this is how it's looking, which is a no-go. So the first thing that you want to do is just establish where you want your part at, and I want mine in the middle, and I'm gonna part it all the way back as far as I can go, like that. You can't see the parting now. There's no powder or anything in this part, so you just want to establish where you want your part. As you can see, it's a bulky mess. We need it lean flat. I'm gonna pluck a little bit of hair out of the parting. Y'all seen me do this a million times, so I'm not even gonna bother doing it on camera. I'll be back once it's plucked though. Alright, now so this is what we're working with. I plucked hair out of the part, and I put this Sally Henson airbrush legs just in that section where the part is, because I'm not planning on wearing this like back or anything like that. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to take a flat iron. Was I not recording that whole time? In case I wasn't, I flat ironed this side so far, flattened it, and I'm on the middle, in the middle of doing this side. Oh yeah, and before you can do any of this like flat ironing or anything like that, literally the most important thing to getting your wig to lay flat is how you have your hair underneath the wig, you know? you can't have like big bulky braids underneath your wig and expect for it to lay flat. Like, it's just not gonna happen. Me personally, I just have 2 braids on each side. I have 2 braids, and then I put those braids back into a bun. Like, I don't make it into a ball, I just like loop the scrunchie around it so that it lays down flat. So when I put my wig cap on, everything is super flat. So I must do something about these flyaways. So I'm gonna take some mousse. I'll just put it in my hand, and I'm gonna just put it all over like the top of the wig to make sure everything is flat and everything is laid down. Then I'm gonna put a scarf on. And I'm gonna just let that set for a little bit. If you're really into it, you can leave this on overnight if you want to. It's not all the way dry, but I don't have time for that. There's still these stupid flyaways that's right in front. That's how this is looking. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look right here. As you can see, it's laying super flat. This is a few days later from the video clips that you just saw, but what I did is I did put some more of the mousse on the top of it, flattened it down, and then I put the scarf on and left it on the mannequin head with the scarf overnight. And so, you know, of course it got molded to be super flat. Yes, I'm really loving this hair. Again, this is Tinashe hair. I'm really loving it. The link is going to be down in the description box. It did not come as a wig, it came as bundles. So if you don't know how to make a wig, I didn't record it because I'm not the best wig maker, but there are plenty of videos on YouTube on how to make wigs. So y'all can look at one of those. Of course, if y'all want to see me make a wig, then I mean, y'all could let me know in the comments and I will make one on camera. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, smack the out of your screen right where that subscribe button is. You might as well hit the notification bell because you already know I'm gonna be right back at it like a crack addict, okay? Also, before you go, be sure to check the description box below for all of my social media platforms. They're all going to be listed there, so you know you can give me a little follow. You know, only if you want to. If you want to, no pressure. No pressure, but follow me, beach. Adios.